the city of historic glory. The occasion, King Thirumalai's ceremonial entry into his newly built palace, an edifice of beauty, a saga in stone.
Thirumalai Nayak Thirumalai Mannar, our Kalai Ullam, our Thamperumai,
Ministers, Chief of Staff, Commanders, and my beloved subjects. The great skill and handiwork of countless sculptors, the fine art of great artists, and the loyal labor of thousands of artisans have all fused together for the creation of this magnificent palace. And at last, Madurai is to have a palace worthy of its history. That day, 7 years ago, I said to you, my dear son, bring out the hidden light in all its glory. Let us
One great attribute of the Tamil kings of yore was their passionate love for sculptural art. One day, the king was watching the visions of his imagination taking shape through the chisels of the sculptors and the skill of the artisans. His consorts, Devi Rudra and Devi Tholi, were with him.
Maharaja, Vanakkam. Maharaja.
How broad they are, as broad as our kings to be.
Yonder will be our private apartments. And do you know, my queens, I propose to name this place where we stand as Sorgavasa.
An excellent and appropriate name, my lord.
Heralding yet another day in the city of Madurai. King Thirumalai and his queens have come to worship at the temple of Goddess Meenakshi, as is their wont.
Has come to offer his prayers at the dawn of the day and at the banks of Vaigai. I worship your divine feet, that the Nayak dynasty and all his land should thrive with undying fame and unfading prosperity for all time to come.
With a fullness of heart. But today, there sounded a note of melancholy, echoing a troubled heart. I have never seen you with so worried a look, my king.
Rudra, Tholi, you too are aware of the news. It has been reported that my commander-in-chief has turned traitor. It seems that intoxicated by his victory over the king of Mysore, he plans to attack Madurai and capture the throne with the connivance of Nayak.
Maybe this is mere rumor, my lord. Some jealous minds, perhaps.
Not even music comforts the king. He is still troubled, still uneasy of mind.
Wronged by a fervent devotee of Lord Shiva, an embodiment of all that is noble in man. Would even he be tempted by the lust for power?
Long live the king!
Eventide, in readiness to meet the night. Dusk steps out and night steps in. The king receives the salute of torches by the soldiers. Daily occurrence, even as the entertainment that follows. One of the grand sights that meets the eye in the city of Madurai is the tank, like a tiny ocean, and known as Teppakulam, at Vandiyu.